morning, guys. It was surprisingly comfortable to sleep in the car, and to wake up to this view is priceless. So let's start the day. I've just turned my bedroom into the kitchen and I will make some breakfast. So see you in the first destination today. Hey, look at this, guys. I've got here on this type of roads. I don't know how I managed to find this. We are just very close to this monastery, which is uphill. We can't see it from here, but this is a beautiful bay with those cliffs. Let's fly the drone and see what's behind. Guys, that was spectacular, and look at the way where I'm driving. It's just so beautiful. And the property in this bay with a small beach is for sale. Okay, guys, so this is Livadi beach. It's almost impossible to get there by car, so you have to stop somewhere around. You can see there is nothing, so it's a wild beach, let's say, but I'm 100% sure that it's super quiet. So this is Livadi beach. We came down from that road over there all the way around. Alright, guys, I made my way up to the monastery, but as you can see, it's not allowed to take videos and pictures. And the monastery is also really beautiful, so I recommend it to check it out. That was interesting. It was not allowed to take a short, even for men, so prepare for that. You will have to wear a skirt. I will check out the other side of this monastery. Maybe we have some views there or something. Just a short walk. Let's see. So this is where they store these huge marble plates for further constructions. Just fantastic how they make these huge monasteries on top of the hill. Before we hit the beaches, we'll go to Aliki. Cool, so we arrived to the archaeological side of Aliki. And the view is already quite perfect with those rocks. Look at that. There are like two beaches. I can see some small one there and another one. So this is the other beach. Quite empty. Looks really calm. The water is crystal clear. It's just insane. We made our way to Aliki beach, and to the right it's the beach, on the left it's the archaeological site of Aliki. This is the little entrance, and we have a little guidance here. So basically we parked our car here. You can walk all the way down, and to the right, when you look from the top, it's one beach which you can access, and you can walk around this side, and probably you can have access to the other beach as well, but we'll see. We'll walk around and discover this. Right, if you come from that path, you can access this beach. However, there's a small wall which protects this important historical site. But no worries, you can enter from there, or if you're walking down from the parking spot, you can also reach that site and you can come that way to the beach. It's beautiful, look at that. Look at that spot over there. It looks like the Giola, which we have been visited yesterday. I hope I can reach it somewhere. Maybe I will try. From this spot it's quite obvious that they took out huge pieces of rocks from this site, and probably that swimming pool which I'm heading to is also made by this activity. Yes, I'm on it. I'm reaching this amazing swimming pool, guys. I hope I can get my way through it. Let's see. Made it! Look at these guys. This is absolutely insane. How beautiful is that? You should definitely take this kind of shoes, because it's a little bit sticky on those stones. If you would like to come here, guys, just try to make your way from up above that direction, come down on these rocks, and then here you are. Okay, I also want to discover the other side of this little swimming pool. Let's see. Wow. It's fantastic. That was fantastic. I will try to cool myself down here a bit, but it's not so easy because the water is full with small sea urchins. So I will try to maybe go that way. I gave it up. There are just too many sea urchins, so I don't want to get poked. But anyways, this is just amazing. I will have a small nap, maybe a little lunch, and then we'll hit the road again. But I think so far this is the best spot which I discovered during this journey. But let's see further.